shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be a prosperity and long life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's state news is brought to you by David from II Hazel. State news. CIA challenge to the idea of India says Kerala's PM. Thank you. To all, my name is Sasha from grade 2 Hazel. Now I am saying national news. Minister India Mahatma Gandhi for Indian backing. Thank you. Weather report is brought to you by Abhira. Grade 2 is the weather report. Maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you. My name is Happy Morning to all. Today sport news is brought to you by Anshit from grade 2 Hazel. Sport news. China Super Kings new method all out attack with the bat. Thank you. Today international news is brought to you by Sahaj from grade 2 Hazel. International news. Thailand delivers aid to Myanmar. Thank you. Brought to you by Eastern Canal from grade 2 Hazel. Good word of listen. Friends, please spell after me. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. It means one, two, attention, clear, thank you. Have a nice day. Good thought is brought to you by Good thought. If you get tired, learn to rest, not take you. Thank you. GK questions are brought to you by Rishant from grade 2 Hazel. GK questions. Question for grade 1. Which country has logo flag? I repeat my question. Which country has logo flag? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Peru. Question for grade 2. Which city is biggest in India? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. What is the world's largest country? Russia. Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Who was the first female RPS officer in India? I repeat my question. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. Who is the first female chief justice of India? I repeat my question. Who is the first female chief justice of India? No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Pitama Devi. Thank you.
All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. It's rich and variegated. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
In the Kishore of Grain and the Best, I brought you here international and national news. International news. JNU Students Union election left candidates rounds ABVP. National news. Congress questions Modi's government record in implementing women's welfare schemes. Thank you.
State and Sports News is brought to you by K. Lopez from Great Topaz. State News. Hyderabad authorities seizes 46.61 lakhs in election code checks. Sports News. GD versus MI. GD won by 6 runs and PBKS and RCB won by 4 wickets. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by Hasni from Grain and Topaz. Today's weather report: maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny country.
The thought is brought to you by Shravani from Great and Topaz. Courage to continue matters more than success or failure. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Peacharit of Great and Topaz. Word entire means whole or overview. Friends, please spell after me. Entire. ENTIRE. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Shrestha of Great and Topaz. Question for grade 6. What is the full form of BP?
Blood pressure.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the right answer is blood pressure. Let us appreciate that. Question for grade 7. What is the full form of, what is the SI unit of speed? I repeat my question. What is the SI unit of speed? Sorry, you did not pick any answer, and the answer is meter per second. Question for grade 8. Which planet is known as red planet? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the right answer is Mars. Let us appreciate that. Question for grade 9. What is the pH value of pure water? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the right answer is 7.5. Let us appreciate that. Open question. Where is the first science exhibition built? I repeat, where is the first science exhibition built? Sorry, you did not pick any answer, and the answer is Delhi. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Uday Sai from Grain and Topaz. Now I am going to article is brought to you by Uday Sai from Grain and Topaz. Today article is about IPL. The IPL Indian Premier League is the professional cricket league based on 2020 format. It was launched by the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) in 2007. Lalit Modi was the first chairman of IPL as well as vice president for BCCI. There are currently 8 teams playing in IPL. The IPL is the most popular cricket league in the world. In 2014, it ranked 6th in average attendance among all sports leagues. In 2010, the IPL became the first sporting event to be broadcast live on YouTube. Inspired by success of IPL, other Indian sports leagues have been established. Today's match is going to be between CSK versus Gujarat Titans.